Hey, Cornell, do you want another guy with you?
Yeah.
I'm on your right. I'm on your right.
You got right?
Yeah.
Here. Ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1, step up. Nothing. Tails are good.
I'm gonna push the pillar.
Yeah. You, Chris?
Yeah.
Right there. See him? See him? He's going on the ground.
Yeah. I'm with you, Cornell.
You went around the page. You already got your deck. You get the strip wire right here.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Way down there. You're just concussed.
I got a concussion. Okay, I'm still good. I'm still up on the right side.
You check fire over there. Who's that?
It's Morgan.
Over here, push up. Slowly come out. Hey! Come out! You need to come out! Come out! Yes, with your hands up!
Okay, I'm gonna get long shot on that door, okay?
Come out! Come out! Slowly! Slowly! Come out! We'll take it down now.
Okay, I'll come with. Yeah. Ready? Go.
Let's get some more. Okay. Go.
I'm watching this door. I got this door.
What's going on?
I got an open door to my front.
Who's going in?
Hey, give me 4, we'll go in.
Need 2 more. I got somebody. Okay, you got 4.
Okay, hold. We got a guy on the phone. There's a guy on the phone.
Calm out. Calm out.
Hey, you on the phone? Put the phone down. Oh, he's holding his head. He's on the phone. Okay, no, come to me. Yeah, come to me. Let's go. Moving.
Yo, lit, take cover.
All right, good shit, boys.
Force the pressure. Move. They were set.
Mike, come on. Okay, go, go. Engineers.
Okay, stack left on that fucking hallway. Push left.
Get in.
Stack left. Okay, check these fucking enemies. Dude, check. I am covering.
Okay, Badger clear.
Got you clear. Take that fucking hallway for us. We need to make sure. Fucking go around you. Fucking.
Hey, I don't want you to go down. Let me get in there. Keep moving. Get beside him. Yeah, keep going.
Keep pushing. Open door left.
Open door left, sack left.
Open door left, side left.
Hold.
Okay.
Just watch the door.
How many guys do you have right there? One more.
5.
Fuck, get me in there.
Go. On the fucking can. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Have you guys breached through yet? Go. There's one dead, one down.
Baseline! I don't care if it's enemy dead. I want to make sure.
Yeah.
Fucking shoot. Let's go.
I hear shit right here. He's down! He's down! Moving up!
Okay, go! There! Bring the line up! I got the left.
I can only go so far here.
Hey! Wait! Frag out!
Frag out!
Go!
I'm on your right.
Yeah.
Moving right. Right clear! Open door right!
Open door right, move behind you. Close in! I need a pump! Zero! Clear that fucking corner!
Yes, Sergeant.
Okay, you want to sign it?
I'll continue to pick at the door. I'll move up to put plates on the door while you guys cover left.
The door.
Yeah.
Touches the door as well as that corner. I'm moving.
Yeah, moving.
Okay, moving.
You turn off your light.
Clear.
I'm gonna push in a bit deeper here.
Yeah.
Just stay, right? Silence clear.
Watch the wire.
Wire.
One straight. Flood right.
Flooding right.
Right. Baseline.
Baseline.
Whoa.
Advance. Dead person.
Okay, let's get up on here.
Keep pushing.
Everyone up.
What are we doing?
We're gonna put those enemy. Ken, we need to fucking push through this. Ken, ready?
Stay behind me.
Okay, fucking
I push through the fence.
push. No, it's the rock. Let's go. Fucking step out. Let's go.
Moving. I got right.
Do something with me. Okay, reset on the wall. Okay, you guys fucking keep covering the wall. You guys set that fucking dead. Check both of them. 2 times dead. Hold here until the dead is checked.
What? I'm looking good or bad.
I surrender!
Hands up. Stay right fucking there. Hey, back up, guys. Okay, towards us to these guys. Yeah, see him. Yeah, here, post up here.
Step down, step away. Step away.
Step away!
Lay on the fucking ground.
Here, I got this guy. Louis, watch him. Okay.
Check him for any kind of explosive devices.
Okay, this guy's secure. Is he good?
He's clean.
Okay, let's get him out of here. Up on your knees. Hands behind your back.
Let's push him through, then push him through first. Morgan, stop. Actually, no, fine.
Got him.
It's fine. Over this back.
Okay, P-Dub coming through. Let's get to the right side. Go.
What's happening?
There's a contact in the back. Stop edge. Go in the corner.
Enemy to the left.
Hey, if he doesn't come out, throw a grenade in. Hey! Come out! Hey, he's not coming out. Somebody prep a frag. You ready? I'm gonna jump to the right. Yeah, okay. Frag out! Go! You dead?
Yeah, he did.
Okay. One enemy dead!
What are we done?